Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. In this short Python tutorial, I want to show you how you can reorder columns based on another data frame. For that, we are just going to import the package pandas as pd. Then we just create two data frames, df1 and df2 down here. And actually what you see, we have two identical data frames, just the values and also the column order is different. And as you can see, both data frames df1 and df2 are identical, just the order of the columns are different. And now when we want to reorder that, we can just use the df.columns to get the column names of df1. So in df1 we have the column date id1 to id5, which you can see up here. And when we now want to reorder the column names of df2, we can just do it like that. So we can just reorder the columns of df2 based on the order of df1, and the order of df1 is just that one from up here, and then we just use that one within the brackets. And when we look at df2, then we see we have the correct order as above from df1. If this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks a lot and see you next time.